Okay, so I showed you Mini-Me before, but he's basically finished now. It's Mini-Me that I rode to this site on. My son-in-law Stop took this basically from stock and has done some modifications for me, made it look quite nice. There's lots of equipment on here that isn't standard. It's only a 125, but it does me to get around. And there's my helmet. It is law in Thailand, if you're on a motorbike, that you should be wearing a crash helmet, but not everybody adheres to that. That they are beginning to crack down on it more and more over the past couple of years, but it's taken time to really educate people that they should be wearing helmets. I did actually get stopped when I came onto this site by the soldier on the gate. He wouldn't let me in because I didn't have a helmet, so I had to go back home and pick my helmet up. As I say, it is law, but when you're just riding round the side roads, people don't wear them, so I fall in with the locals. And that's Mini-Me. Thank you for watching.